You can find a publication to search or browse by typing the publication name into the red search box. You can also use this method to quickly check if you subscribe to an individual publication. As you type search, results will appear below the search box in a similar way to predictive text. This is known as the word wheel. The first box, called Legal Phrases and Documents, lists results from previous searches. The box underneath contains details of publications. To select a title to browse, click on the words Table of Contents. To enable the search box to search an individual title only, which is also known as pre-filtering, click on the title name. Notice that the pre-filter changes from everything to that publication. To search everything again, click on the Lexis Advance Specific Research button in the top left-hand corner.